Hi! Good afternoon, everyone. Now we are here trying to make vlog in the whole world. We are here in the Philippines, guys. Now we're talking about what kinds of men we love, we like. Yeah. They are here. Let's go, fun. We're having questions to each other, you know. If what kinds of men we like and what kinds of which kind of country. Die. Would you like to have boyfriends like foreign guy, like, or we just like Pinoy guys? Die, lingit diri, die, saba ka diri, ali na diri. Realizing, guys. Yeah. Choose the best man would you like? Philippine man or a foreign man? Do you encounter, you know, in the Philippines, the lady, mostly, you know, you can say all over the place that are having like foreign boyfriend. Yeah. Why?
Ano man daya magikaunday?
Guys, hello guys.